Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 3830 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 3830 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results will come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 3830 all-in-one printer series. Open that up. And now on this page, go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And then scrolling down again on this page, you want to select underneath the item that says installation, software, and drivers. Should be an easy start printer setup wizard in here. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. And it should be a signed verified publisher once it opens. Should say launches HP installer. It is from HP Inc. As you can see, verified publisher. Select yes to continue. And then you just would follow along with the on-screen setup wizard here of getting it configured for your device. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.